Hi guys. So in this video, we are going to talk about simple machines. All right, I'm going to write that on the top. Simple machines. All right, now these simple machines are objects that help us do something better or faster. And I've drawn some pictures of the simple machines that we're going to talk about briefly. All right, this first one right here is called a lever. Now, a lever is a long, hard tool put under an object to lift it up. All right, and you'll watch a YouTube video on it that also kind of helps you understand it a little bit more, but I wanted to make sure and show you that this is a lever. All right, the next one that we're going to talk about is a wedge. All right, this is called a wedge. Now, a wedge is a tool with a slanted side right here and a sharp edge, which would be right here. All right, that's a wedge. Again, you'll watch another video on that later. Our next one is called wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. All right, this is a really cool one. It's got a bar going on it, and then it's got a wheel on it that helps turn things. So a wheel and axle is a round wheel attached to a pole. So here's our pole, and here's our round wheel. So you might think of something like a wheelbarrow, all right? On the end of the wheelbarrow, that is a wheel and axle. And again, you're gonna watch another video on that. Our next one right here is called a screw. Now, you've probably seen one of these, maybe when your parents were hanging up a picture, or maybe your dad has a collection of tools and stuff out in the garage. I bet he has a bunch of screws. All right, but a screw is pretty much an inclined plane, and we'll talk about that in a second. An inclined plane with ridges that help to lift things or hold things together. So these ridges right here, when the screw is put into something, it actually helps hold something together. So when they put a screw into the wall to hold a picture, it holds that picture on the wall, and it keeps it from falling, hopefully. All right, our next one down here, now I drew a slide, but this is an inclined plane. All right, and I'm gonna write that word. Inclined plane. All right, now an example, a great example is a slide. A slide is an inclined plane. So an inclined plane is a ramp with one end that is higher than the other end. So earlier this week, you should have built some sort of ramp in your house, whether it was a kind of a low ramp or a high ramp. All right, but that ramp is an inclined plane. It's pretty neat. All right, and then our last one I put over here because I ran out of room. All right, this is called a pulley. All right, and a pulley is a rope or a chain with a wheel that's used to move things. So with a pulley, something would usually be attached on one end of the rope, and a person or people would pull on the other end of the rope like this. And because of this wheel right here, it actually makes it a lot easier and faster for somebody to lift something up that's heavy, that's attached to the other end of the rope. You'll watch a video on that as well. But these are our 6 simple machines that I really want you guys to get familiar with. Um, and, have fun with this. Look around your house and see what kind of simple machines you can find or you can make. Science is all about thinking outside the box and using your imagination. And I can't wait to see what you guys do with simple machines. All right, I miss you guys. We'll see you later.